Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of the Mad Swine Backyard Barbecue, where in today's episode, we're taking a left turn right into the garage and away from the backyard, because we gotta talk. I want to pick your guys' mind for a second, or for a few minutes. And I had to put some notes down here because I want to make sure I hit these topics and ask these questions I want to ask you guys. So, first off, what the hell is barbecue to you? What does the whole word mean to you? Is it the cooking process? Is it the state you're in? Is it the type of meat? Is it the style? What's barbecue to you? Because to me, it just means a very, very selfish, fun way to get quick compliments from the people closest to you and to show them how much you love them and, bring everyone together. Because even bad barbecue brings out good results. That's just in my opinion. I've never have had bad barbecue kick me in the ass to where the next person is like, oh man, this sucks. They're usually loving which even you think you hate. So for me, barbecue's family, it's friends, it's honing in an art that allows you to be next to your loved ones, and it's the smells and the sensations and it's all that stuff. It's therapy. Actually, barbecue is some good freaking therapy for guys like us who probably work hard all day, come home, and don't just want to drink a beer, but we want to do something with that beer. So it's like, when I watch these YouTube videos of you guys or with you guys and the same channels that you guys watch, and sometimes I hear very, very proudly people stating that their barbecue is the best barbecue, whether it be from Texas, whether it be from Memphis, or if it's from the North or South Carolinas, or Santa Maria style, or if it's out in Brazil or Argentina or even Korean barbecue, because there's just so much barbecue out there that I wonder if you're holding on to one style so selfishly, so hard, so dedicated. Do you cheat yourself out? Do you cheat your taste buds out from liking the next style? Because you know what I mean? Like, for me, I look at a brisket and I don't think of Texas. I look at a tri-tip and I don't think of Santa Maria. I look at ribs and I don't think of Memphis or Kansas City. I look at the process behind it, and I look beyond the region that it comes from. Now, don't get me wrong. I want to cook all your guys' way, wherever you guys are from. I want to learn those ways so that if ever meet a buddy or have a friend or a family member that's from that area, and this is stuff that they're familiar with, it's easier for you to throw it down on the grill. Easy for you to understand that way of cooking, that style. But my taste buds, they don't hold no limit. There's no limit. There's no boundary. I have lots of preferences all across the board. One day, I don't like this style. The next day, it grows on me. And I'm wondering, do we cheat ourselves out from liking the next style, next person's barbecue because it ain't yours, or because it's something you're not familiar with? You know what I mean? Let me know, because, personally, I think styles are just boxes. And sometimes you stay in that box too long, you cheat yourself out from what's really out there. And they can handicap you. You know what I mean? I want to know it all. I want to taste it all. I want to figure and find all these styles out and find out what suits me best for that day or for that cook. We have so much methods in barbecue, whether it be backyard, competition, professional, cooking for family, cooking for friends, or cooking most of you guys do in competition. There's so many methods to choose from. Is there only one solid method? Do you pick only the minion method over the snake? Do you pick the snake over the minion method? Is reverse sear the only way? Is traditional sear the way to go? Is sous vide the way to go? Like, all these methods that you have to choose from, can you only hang on to one? Because I don't think so. I think when you learn these methods and these styles and these ways, you can find so many different variables the day that you're cooking for whatever reason that you decide, you know what, I was gonna do something like this. This little obstacle just came up. Now I'm gonna use this method. This cook is taking too long. I need to accelerate it. Now we're gonna add the foil to hurry up the process. Now we're gonna remove the steam. Now I'm gonna do this. I was gonna do that, but now it's going this way. You know what I mean? What the hell am I talking about? I don't know. I just wanted to see if this camera on my new phone was working. So peace.